Let's go. Go get him, sir. Run hard. Run hard. Run hard. No, that's good. Good play. Good play. Good run. Let's go, guys. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling.
Keep the momentum.
Oh, he stepped out. No. Come up on the line. Miles up on the line. Right there. Oh, good try. Good try. Good try. That's good. That's good. That's the play. Run hard, run hard. Turn it up. There you go. Oh. That's the way to turn it up. You okay? Okay. Good job, man.
Good job, guys. That's what you were trying to do.
That was good. That's a hill right there. Yeah, it's a hill right there. He ran up a hill. That's what got him. Because I saw his legs get short all of a sudden. I was like, well, that's odd. It's already 4th down. Cheer him on. No, it's a hill right there. He had him if it wasn't for that hill. There we go. All right, here we go, Jack. Let's go.
Go, Nealon, go, Nealon, go! Go, Nealon!
That's all right.
Go, you 3.